Chio, Yomi, Kagura, Osuka, Sakaki, Tomo, Side Smash, Asuma, Godayo logo shrinking and the animation with a changing color background. Kurosa was smiling, then evil stare rotate. Oh look, Yukari is smiling now. Chio and Sakaki on a dog while pulling a car. Tomo is following them. Osaka's lazy ruler animation. Yomi takes off most of her clothes, then dog. Wolf, Tomo wiggling. Penguin dance, turns around with cat on her head, pan right. Kagura turns around, looks like a waitress. Two girls on cat ears that look like boobies while they watch. Two girls dangling from flying credits. Chio and Osaka flying in the air with pigtails. Wait a minute, why does Osaka have pigtails? Yukari is lazy teaching class and this is not a surprise. JC staff made this. Osaka sleeping, why is Yukari mad? Sakaki, stop making evil cat bite you. Three more girls stupid dance with funny big eyes, wave dance. Osaka's eyes are different. The teachers, Yukari's horrible driving. Kimura, perverts doing the wiggle dance. Epic cat rising from the ground, it turns out it's actually a spaceship. Zoom out from the girls and don't forget the dog.